What's up traders? 15 minutes day trading strategy on gold. That is what I will be revealing in this video. Now my journey on gold trading was not straightforward. I have blown out $90,000 trading account trading gold in a single night. It was devastating for me. But you know that antivirus always made from the same virus that causes infection. I didn't quit after blowing the account. I spent days, months, hours of time in front of the chart to study how gold market behave. Now as a result, you have seen my analysis on gold. That is, I'm posting every day and every week. Let me show you a couple of clips that from my past analysis on gold. So what I think that gold might do, if you look the intraday or 4 hour, that the price may drop even from here directly as the narrow doji has not been broken. If this resistance remain intact and we see significant bearish price action from this zone, even I could consider going short on gold. You probably have seen my scalping strategy on gold. If you haven't watched that, I'll link it above. You can watch that as well. Now today I am revealing another weapon that I use to trade gold every single day. Now why you need a separate strategy for gold? The reason is gold behave very differently than any other instrument in the market. There is a reason for it. Gold is highly volatile, precious metal, and there is a lot of volume in that market. So that's why this market behave differently, and that is the reason why gold needs a separate strategy for trading. So I will be now explaining one by one everything about the strategy. Then we'll go to the chart to show you exactly how this strategy works. Now before I begin, this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so let me explain this strategy now. Now keep in mind that this strategy works best in MetaTrader 4. So let me explain first here, and then we'll jump onto MetaTrader 4 chart to see how this strategy works. I will show you quite a few examples. This is a very simple strategy, guys. Make sure you stick till the end to grab everything I'm giving you in this strategy. Now this is simple, just try to understand. I'm explaining. See, what we will be looking for, a reversal pattern. Okay, a reversal pattern could be a double top, double bottom like this one. Okay, it could be a head and shoulder or any kind of inverted head and shoulder. So what is the reversal pattern? Let's say a market is trending like this, creating a series of lower high and lower low. It's a downtrending market, right? So at some point you see that the market is reversing. Now it will not reverse straight away. What it will do, it will create either consolidate or double bottom or an inverted head and shoulder, and then will start to move up. So when it will create a reversal pattern, okay, any kind of reversal pattern, it could be a consolidation, it could be an inverted head and shoulder. We'll see quite a few examples on the chart, but keep in mind that a reversal pattern. So once you see that reversal pattern in 15 minutes, then you look for a breakout from this reversal pattern. Once the price will break out of this reversal pattern, let's say this is a double bottom, the price broken out of this reversal pattern, the next thing is we'll be waiting for the price to come back to this previous resistance, the neckline of this reversal pattern, whatever pattern it is, and then on that 15-minute chart we will wait for one price action confirmation that will have a bullish price action, or a continuation. That means that new trend continuation price action with a false breakout in it. I will show you what is a false breakout. Just keep in mind now, and I will show you quite a few example. It's easy. Now let me show you the same thing here. You see just a double bottom, okay, broke out from this double bottom and then came down back here, okay, a 15 minutes candle that will have at least one element of false breakout. That means that it needs to cross at least one candle previously and then closed back above. So this one is for double bottom. Now it could be, let's say gold is in an uptrend in 15 minutes like this, creating a series of higher high and higher low. Now at some point it will create a head and shoulder or any kind of reversal pattern, double top or just consolidation like that, okay, and then will break down. Then what we will be waiting for the price to go up again to test this neckline, okay, this support as a resistance, and in that retest we need a candle that will be a price action confirmation. Any kind of price action confirmation, could be bearish engulfer, could be pin bar, could be a shooting star or any kind of price action, but that has to have at least one element of false breakout. That means that it needs to cross at least one candle before, and then we will consider that one for trading. Simple. Okay, that is the strategy. Now let me show you quite a few examples so that you can reprogram your mind. Now before I progress further, make sure you give a big thumbs up, okay, if you haven't done yet, and also don't forget to subscribe to receive content like this every single day. Now let's jump onto the MetaTrader 4 chart where we can find this kind of trading opportunity on gold 15 minutes. Okay guys, so we are in gold chart now in 15 minutes in MetaTrader 4, and you can see on the screen quite a few trade guys. Simple strategy. Look at this one here. You see the gold was creating this pattern here. You can see that the price consolidated and then created this reversal pattern here. It's a nice looking reversal pattern, and then what you have seen that gold just after this reversal pattern, we have seen a breakup, a strong breakout to the upside on gold. Now after this reversal pattern, you can see that the gold has broken to the upside. Then what happened after this candle? The gold came down, exactly tested this reversal pattern here. You can see this is the neckline of this reversal pattern. You can see this is an inverted head and shoulder, okay, and then after breakout of this inverted head and shoulder, we have seen that with this long candle, 15 minutes candle, or with this one here as well, what we have seen that gold has tested this neckline, this previous neckline resistance as a support. Now what is our condition on this one? That we need to see a reversal pattern, a breakout happen, and then we need to see one candle at least which will have an element of false breakout to the downside. This is the element of false breakout, and then what we have seen, the price tested this neckline, created a false breakout, and then closed above as a strong bullish engulfer, and that is the entry candle. So if you enter from here, stop loss always will be below that false breakout candle, and then see what happened. So if you trade this market, this is what happened. You can see that gold has gone up. If you trade 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, all is possible in this trade, but we will be using normally 1 to 3, 1:3 risk to reward ratio trade for this strategy. Now let me show you quite a few examples like this one. Okay guys, so let's same thing, look at this example here on the 15-minute chart on gold. You can see the price was creating a series of higher high and higher low and moving in a nice uptrending market. Now at some point what happened, that in this zone gold came down, created this nice looking clearly visible head and shoulder pattern. You can see that this is the head and shoulder, that is a reversal pattern that we are looking for. So we found a reversal pattern on gold, head and shoulder. This is the neckline of this reversal pattern on this has broken down. What is the next task for us is to wait for price to go up again. This is the breakdown to test this neckline, this previous support here, okay, as a resistance, and create a false breakout and create a price action on that false breakout. So where do you see? It's a clearly visible trade, guys. There is nothing complicated. You can see that until here no test, okay, you see until this candle we haven't seen any retest, and then look at this one here, okay, it has crossed all this level here, created this false breakout that we are looking for, a clear false breakout of this neckline of this head and shoulder, and then close back below as a textbook pin bar. Smash the like button now. You found the trade, you found the false breakout, you found the retest, pin bar. The next thing is enter the trade from here, keeping stop loss above this high, and then see what happened. If you target 1 to 3, it's easily achievable trade. This is your risk and this is your reward. This is the power of this 15 minutes gold day trading strategy. Now let's look at quite a few examples so that you can grab it, you can reprogram your mind, okay, so that you can use the strategy. But make sure you do a lot of back testing before you use in any kind of demo or live account. Make sure you do the back testing. Now let's see quite a few examples with me so that you can understand. Make sure you watch everything, don't miss any part of this video. Okay guys, so let's see this example. There is a plenty of examples in this chart. 15 minutes has a lot of trade, so make sure you stay focused. Now what you see, look at this one here. This is a nice looking slow trend, but it's trending to the upside, and then at some point gold has created this exclusive double top formation. You can see this is a nice looking double top, and then what we have from this double top, gold has broken to the downside. So once you found the reversal pattern double top, what is the next job is to wait for the price to go up, test this neckline of this double top support as resistance, and to create a false breakout candle. Now let's draw the neckline of this double top. You can see that this is the neckline of this double top, and what we have seen that the price, look at this one here, it's penetrated this support clearly and then closed with a strong rejection with a doji or a nice looking pin bar, and then we can trade it keeping stop loss above this high, at least 1 to 3 risk to reward, which can easily be achievable from this trade. Okay, smash the like button. Example, the same thing, what we will be looking for, a reversal pattern. It could be double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, consolidation, anything. Now you see that gold has created this big move to the upside. It's a nice strong move, uptrend, okay, and then at some point what you have seen that the gold has created this reversal pattern. So this is what kind of reversal pattern? You can say this is a consolidation, okay, consolidation pattern, and then it has created a double top here, but before double top we have seen a breakdown and then consolidation. So this is also a reversal pattern. So if you see a consolidation like that, you need to wait for the test of this bottom of this consolidation. So what we have seen that the price has created this nice looking consolidation and also a double top here, and then has broken to the downside. What happened after that? Look at this. With this bearish engulfer, the price broke down and then back to back 2 to 3 candles. Look at this one here. This is what we are looking for, a strong rejection from the top, a pin bar with a false breakout. So that candle basically crossed the previous 2 candles high, okay, tested this neckline, this support as a resistance, and then closed back below as a pin bar. That is our entry candle. We'll keep our stop loss above this high, entry here, and you can easily achieve 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Simple. Let's look more examples. Make sure you stick till the end so that we can understand everything. You can grab everything. If you still have confusion, watch that video over and over again, master the strategy, backtest it, and gain the freedom of trading gold. Now let's look at quite a few examples. Okay guys, so let's see this example here. What we see, this is the same thing, 15-minute chart. We have seen that there's a nice looking double top formation, and after the double top, what we have seen that from this double top the price has broken to the downside, followed by this retracement to the upside. Now in this retracement, what we have seen, as expected, we have found the double top, the reversal pattern. Now what we need to identify the neckline of this reversal pattern. This is the neckline of this reversal pattern. And then what we have seen that from this neckline, we have seen there is a false breakout candle to the upside, nice looking false breakout on 15-minute candle. And then see this candle and this candle both are false breakout candle. After these dodges, we have seen that back to back two candles cross this neckline above, created this nice looking false breakout and bearish price action, an inverted hammer or a pin bar or a shooting star. And from this zone, if we trade keeping our stop loss above this high and 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, it's a nice looking trade. So let's see more examples. Okay, so let's see this example. As you can see, the same thing, we have found a reversal pattern. Now every reversal pattern could be different, so you need to identify it properly. Now you can see that the price was consolidating for a long period of time and then has created this kind of reversal pattern. It's a triple top or fourth top. You see quite a few consolidation and then deceleration, and after this, from this reversal pattern, what we have seen that gold has broken to the downside, followed by this doji. Now with this doji, this is the neckline. It's a bit angular, so you can see the neckline. If you draw this one like that, this neckline. Now from this neckline, from this reversal pattern, what we have seen that gold has broken to the downside. Now after that, we have seen a test with this doji, but this is not a clear retest. And then we have seen this one here. It's a nice looking false breakout and retest of this support as a resistance, nice looking retest. And we have seen with this one, it has created an elements of false breakout to the upside. And after that, what happened? We have seen that gold has broken to the downside. So this is our entry candle, keeping stop loss above this high, and we can easily achieve 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio entry from here. This is a simple strategy. I sincerely believe that you guys and girls have found value in this strategy. If you find value, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this strategy to be visible on YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video.